Hello, I'm in a 2016 Jeep Patriot, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then with the vehicle turned off, we'll look for this. This is your dipstick. So you pull this all the way out, and then I take a rag or paper towel and wipe this clean. Then you'll stick this all the way back in that same hole, pull this back out, and then we'll look on the end, and you should see, if I can focus on it, those little grid marks there. Those grid marks are the range that the oil should be, so that's their safe range. So you want it ideally towards the left side of those grid marks. If it's towards the right or not on the grid marks, so you want to add some oil, which we'll say we want to add some. We'll stick this back in, and then up here's where you're going to add the new oil. So double check you've got the best type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand of oil you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But we'll just open this up, and either straight from your quart jug or with a funnel, just add as needed. And try not to overfill as well, because overfilling could also cause issues. And this is all while the motor's still off. But once you've added your new oil, just screw this back on nice and tight. And then I'd start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn the motor off. And then repeat the process we did in the beginning with this dipstick to see if we're near that full mark or not now. And then repeat as needed. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which, depending on age of the motor, mileage, type of oil, things like that you're using, typically ranges between 3,000 to 8,000 miles between each oil change. And to do those, typically you put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get underneath to the oil pan, pull the oil plug to drain all the old oil out, replace any oil filters as needed, screw the oil plug back in nice and tight, and then up top here you'd add all the oil recommended for your particular motor for an oil change. Screw this back on nice and tight, and then again start the vehicle for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then once again, like we did in the beginning, check this dipstick to see if we're at that full mark. But all that said, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.